Hi, this is Darcy, and these are my 5 Foreo UFO hacks. On this video, I'm going to give you lots of great tips and hacks and also a demonstration of all the tips. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If this is helpful to you, please give me a like. It really helps my channel. So now let's get to it. The Foreo UFO is a smart masking device that lets you do a full face treatment, a full masking in 2 minutes. It has many settings and amazing features as T-sonic pulsations, warmth therapy, cryotherapy so it gets cold. It also has full set LED lights built in as well as preset treatments. And I have a full video going in a deep dive information and review on the UFO, and I'll leave that on the description box below because on this video I want to focus on hacks so you can get even better results from UFO. Now let's get to the hacks. Hack number 1. Use it with water-based serums. UFO has its own masks, which we'll talk about on this video as well, but you can also use with regular serums. It is important to use with water-based serums if you want to take advantage of the LED lights from the UFO, because LED lights cannot penetrate if your serums have oils, because it creates a barrier on your skin. But if you use water-based serums, you can use any of your favorite serums to get even better results from your serums and also take advantage of the LED lights. You can use with any of your favorite serums or essences or even water-based masks like this one for Laneige. This is a really good water-based mask, which is a night mask, or essences. I love this one from COS RX. Is an advanced nail 96, very hydrating and super slippery. And I also like the watermelon gelato from Ladora, and this one came with my Velvet Pro device, which I also have a review on my channel. It's a microcurrent device that also has LED lights, which is a really good device as well if you want to check that out. But this was a really good serum to use with the UFO because this actually amplifies the results of the LED lights. So if you have the Velvet Pro, you can also use the same serum with your UFO as well. You can use it with any of your favorite serums. Make sure it's water-based. And now let me show you a quick demonstration. You can apply straight on your face and then turn it on. And it comes with a presets. So I'm going to use the first set that is the preset. Go all over your face. You can even go over your lips. So the UFO comes with 3 presets, or if you have the app, you can also select the setting and customize it there. So now you can see it's on a blue light. So all the presets are really good, and they usually mixed different lights. Now it's a little cold. This has a little cryotherapy, which is so good to use it on your eyes as well to depuff. And the whole treatment is 2 minutes. Hack number 2. Use a UFO with your regular skincare. You can use the UFO with your regular skincare as well, like your regular face creams or your normal skincare to help absorb deeply. But, as I mentioned before, if the skincare has any oils, you will not take advantage of the LED lights because the LED lights don't work well with oils. This cream from Medicube is a really great cream to use with the UFO. I really enjoy it. It's their Triple Deep Erasing Cream. And I have a whole review on my channel on this cream as well. It actually looks almost like water-based, but it does have some oils. So you can use it with the UFO, but it will not take full advantage of the LED lights, but it will still help any of your skincare penetrate deeper and help it absorb quicker. It'll take advantage of the warmth therapy, the cryotherapy, and the T-sonic pulsations. A thing I like to do is use the UFO first with a water-based serum. That way I'm taking advantage of the LED lights. Then I follow with my regular face cream that even though it has a little bit of oils, you still take advantage of the UFO, cryotherapy, T-sonic pulsations, and warmth therapy to infuse even deeper in your skin for even better results. So this is a really good hack to try it out, especially if you have the UFO. Hack number 3. Use your UFO with your sheet masks. Just turn it on and go over your mask. That will help all the ingredients of your mask penetrate deeper, and you can just do it until it turns it off. So this will be taking advantage of the cryotherapy, the warmth therapy, and also the T-sonic pulsations to help all the ingredients of the mask to penetrate. But you will not be taking advantage of the LED light features if you use on top of the mask, because the mask creates a barrier so the light doesn't penetrate. So keep that in mind when you're using on top of a face mask. You do the whole treatment until it turns it off. However, if you remove the mask, you usually have a lot of leftover serum. You can also use underneath the mask to help the serum absorb completely And if you do that, you will be taking advantage of the LED lights features of the UFO, and it will help the serums absorb even deeper. You can do it until it turns itself off or until the serum fully absorbs. You can use with any of your sheet masks, but in order to take advantage of the LED light, make sure that the mask you're using is free of oils. So when you're doing underneath, you will be taking advantage of the LED light features. Your mask can have oils if it's all the way down ingredient list. That should be okay, but I prefer using sheet masks that don't have oils, so that way I can take full advantage of the LED light features. I love this one from Medicube, which is their Super Cica Daily Quick Mask. It has Cica, which is a really amazing ingredient for recuperating your skin barrier, as well as aloe vera and green tea. Love this mask because it has no oil, so I can take full advantage of the UFO, but you can use it with any of your sheet masks. Hack number 4, use with the UFO masks, but use it multiple times. Yes, you heard it right. I often use my UFO mask multiple times. And honestly, I do love the UFO masks. I actually have a whole drawer full of them because they're actually really good treatments. What I love about them is that they're made to use the UFO, so it's really easy. You just put it in the little ring and use it all over your face. And what I often do is actually use them multiple times because they're usually so drenched in serum, and they're, even after you use it a couple times, to be honest, there's always a lot of serum left. So what I personally do, and that's the hack, I put it back in the pouch. You just have to kind of slide the mask back there, and usually there's enough serum that next time when you use the mask, it will be completely coated. And make sure you put on a little plastic so that way it doesn't dry out, and put on the refrigerator. Especially if you leave on the refrigerator, even doubles as a cooling treatment to depuff. But make sure you put it on the refrigerator, and make sure you don't share with anybody else. And also make sure you use the mask on a fully cleansed skin, which that's how you should use it anyway, just to keep the mask safe of any bacteria. But I'd highly suggest use it within 3 days for even better results. But it definitely works, and I find that I can honestly get about 3 uses of each of these masks when I do this hack, which is pretty cool, that you can save some money and get even more advantage from the masks. Hack number 5. Use your UFO with your other skincare tools. And I'll give you some great examples on this hack. Love using the UFO with my other skincare tools because you're taking advantage of the UFO and actually helping the other skincare tools work even better. For example, the UFO goes really well with microcurrent because it helps to hydrate your skin very deeply, and also has the T-sonic pulsations, and also it has the warm therapy that helps to really prep your muscle, relax your muscle, and hydrate your face, so you can get even better results from microcurrent treatments, because microcurrent works really well with hydration since the current needs water, so the current can penetrate deeper in your skin. So using the UFO before your microcurrent will really help with conductivity, which I talk about conductivity a lot on my channel, because microcurrent needs conductivity, needs your skin to be hydrated so the current can penetrate deeper. So using the UFO right before microcurrent, any of your microcurrent devices will give you even better results from your microcurrent. But I personally love using the UFO with the Foreo Bear right after, and the hack goes even further. And on top of that, if you use the UFO with the Foreo UFO masks, you can even use the whatever leftover serum with your Bear, which I'll show you now, this hack. I love to use this hack for time saving and also money saving, because you're saving on your microcurrent serum and you're also saving on the many uses that you can do with the UFO mask, which was hack number 4. So when you use the Bear with the Foreo mask, you first use your Foreo UFO all over the face, and as I mentioned before, you're gonna have a lot of serum left over from the UFO mask, so just pour the serum into your hands and put all over your face. That way you can follow up with your regular microcurrent devices or your Foreo Bear, and the serum that is left over will work really well as a conductivity gel to help the microcurrent get even deeper in your skin for an even better lift. And as the serum starts drying out, you can just spray it with water to revive it. This is a really quick facial that you can do and give you very powerful results. The UFO also combines really well with your Oralift. The Oralift is a device that actually goes inside your mouth to give you a full facelift, and I have many videos on the Oralift. I'll leave the playlist on the description box below if you want to see my before and afters and more information about it. But what I like about using the UFO before the Oralift is that the UFO really helps to relax your muscles and hydrate your face. So when you put the Oralift inside your mouth, it helps to have the face hydrated because you're stretching all the muscles. So if the muscles are relaxed by using the UFO before, you're getting an even better lift. So that's why I think it's a great combination if you have the UFO to use it before your Oralift treatment for even better results. You can also use the UFO with your other LED masks, because even though the UFO has a full spectrum LED lights, which is still beneficial for your skin, you can also take advantage of your regular LED masks by doing the treatment right after to amplify the results that you have with the UFO, especially if you're using with a clear serum or water-based serum. It will not interfere with the LED lights. So the way I like to do it is if I'm on a pinch and I'm really hurry, I use it with my Cure mask, which is an amazing LED mask that is only 5 minutes. So I like this combination because I find it a really quick treatment that really gives you great results. But whenever I have more time, I like combining my UFO with my Adoro masks as well, because the Adoro mask has 11 settings and many different types of lights for different treatments. And I have lots of information on the Adoro mask from my channel. I'll leave up the playlist from the Adoro on the description box below with before and afters and lots more information. So it works really well with your LED light treatments to amplify the results. I've been really enjoying to combine my tools together, and I did another video how to combine microcurrent devices with all your other tools, and I'll leave that video on the description box below or somewhere in the screen if you want to check that next. Overall, I love my UFO. I think it combines really well with any skincare routine, so hope these hacks are helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!